और ऑलरेडी देखो एक फिल्म और एक Amazon मिनी का शो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, एक मैं खत्म करके आया हूँ अभी शूट।
So we are going this sustainable way, where we are, there are a lot of leaders around the world already. So all the recycled polyesters, recycled plastic bottles, and all those things are taken care of. But everybody is ignored the most littered waste in the world. This is a cigarette one. We just choose to,
And the worst
Yes,
when
it's
it comes to pollution.
yeah, it's the most dangerous, most harmful one. Because once we smoke, all those harmful substances they get collected in this one.
And cigarette butts they're not
They are not biodegradable.
they're not biodegradable.
Yeah, absolutely. So they are there in the environment for very, very long time. So eventually all this goes to the ocean and kill the marine life.
Yes.
So we have taken up this initiative where we'll be
And this is an Indian initiative, not like a Lee Cooper world one. This is been
so-
done here.
Yes, yes.
The Lee Cooper India team.
Lee Cooper
That's fantastic.
yeah, absolutely.
That's crazy.
So we have taken up this initiative. We cannot stop people from littering around, but the least that we can do is do something better out of it.
Pick their litter up and make some and
Yeah.
get them clothes.
Absolutely.
अगर उठा नहीं सकते तो पहन लो.
So we have a very interesting collection of 10-inch references here. So some lovely washes, we have some very good fabrics.
Even the printed shirts.
Yeah. So you can see a lovely collection of prints.
Yes.
Yes.
You can.
Some very trendy embroidered shirts. Some textured shirts as well.
This is pretty much how I roam around. I think this is yours.
Yeah. Good to see you wearing that.
बात करो कितना छोटा होता है
Some lovely checks.
It's properly uniform. You see it from far and you know.
Yeah, sure. And also one polo range, which essentially talks about this is a London brand. See a lot of
ओ या
Got rid of that. चले, let's go to the
इधर ही वाइट कर लेते ना वाइट इधर ही कर लेते
white very
And then we just ask you to share your pigeon, the product, and the link. So this is hard. Please start.
We're using all of this. Cigarette butts is
खंबा खंबा पीछे
That's excellent. How's it going?
Great. How are you, Karan?
I'm tired.
Would you like to share a few words
Yes.
on this initiative?
Hi boys and girls, how are you? अरे मैं ट्रैवल करके आया तुम लोग क्यों इतने थक रहे हो? Yeah, thank you. You look so good. I love your whatever you've done with your fashion. I wish it was made out of cigarette butts. Alright, boys and girls, I'm very excited to be here. We all know why we are here. What's happened with Lee Cooper is something very, very special because for the first time, I don't think I've heard something like this before. We've taken cigarette butts and we made fashion out of it. I mean, cigarettes and fashions, these are two very, very different things. And combining them and taking care of pollution this way, in a sustainable way, I think fashion is very important for everybody here. I'm pretty sure. I mean, even if you look like me, my stylist won't approve. But fashion is something that has the language of all ages. It can be, my age, you guys, our parents, everybody. And we take something like this initiative. And by the way, this has not been done across the globe by Lee Cooper. This has been done by Lee Cooper India, which is something that we have to celebrate. I mean, this is something that we have done. This is something that is going to lead the way. People are going to get inspired by this. They're going to be people coming from all across the globe. They're going to be figuring out how did they do it. How did you guys figure this out? But see, cigarette butts is something that is not biodegradable. It's not gonna, it's not like paper or leaves or something like that, which gets okay with time. It takes hundreds and hundreds of years, and trust me, there are a lot of cigarette butts around. Lot of them. Even when when you're driving, I've seen. I'm sure you guys also know cigarette पी के खिड़की के बाहर जाता ही जाता है. हाँ, अच्छी की शक्ल मत बनाओ, मुझे पता तुम करते हो. But imagine, I mean, you've just taken some of that guilt away from us. मैं नहीं पीता हूँ. Well, you've taken that guilt away from us. I want to know how did this happen? Like, what was the thought process? एक दिन आप उठे, आपके हाथ में सिगरेट का बट्टा, और आपने कहा मैं इससे जीन्स बनाऊंगा. Something like that. Please let us know.
That's not true, Karan. Yeah, I don't smoke. And we wish for a smoke-free world. So that's the first step. Like we do not encourage smoking at all, and definitely not only impacts the health of the people, but also the environment and the people around you. Because I was reading somewhere we almost end up releasing 65 billion tons of carbon CO2 in the environment, by a number of people that we have smoking on this earth. So definitely we discourage that, and if at all people do, the least that they can do is be mindful of the litter that is created and dispose it off at the right place. So meaningful, usable things like this can be created, and we can eliminate that from our environment, because it's a non-biodegradable stuff which takes years and years, more than 12 years least, to decompose and then turn into something else. So yeah, it is a brainchild of the Lee Cooper Indian marketing team. We just got a thought, and because we are master of denims in true sense, right? We created a number of denims. I don't know if you heard, we were the first denim brand in the world to introduce a female denim wear with front zip. So the jeans that you guys are wearing with the front zip, you can thank Lee Cooper for that. Because until then, in Europe or around the world also, we had female jeans with a back zip. So I think we were the first one to bring that innovation, and many more such innovations, and this is going to add another milestone to Lee Cooper's legacy and journey. So बस एक दिन ऐसा ख्याल आया, फिर हमने we worked on it, we researched, we found a sustainability partner like Code Effort, well-known company since last 15 years. So they've created soft toys and other stuff out of that. But denim and out of denim jeans was never ever created. And like you all heard, you all saw, it takes around 600 cigarette butts to create one pair of jeans. So I think with each pair of jeans we can eliminate 600 cigarette butts out of our life. Excited, happy? So guys, आपने सुना, you heard us, you saw the entire process, the journey. Now do you all want to witness the product firsthand?
Yes.
But yes is not that. Yeah. That's about it, guys. Can we have the product here? Sorry, innovation. Let's call it innovation. Can I have this? Guys. Guys, 1, 2, go! Big round of applause!
Beautiful.
Not bad, guys.
And these are made of cigarette butts, by the way.
I'm so glad I'm the first one to be holding this. That's something.
You're part of the history, and so is me, and so is everyone out here. So guys, this is made out of recycled material, and like you said, 600, the fabric that you use is made out of cigarette butts, recycling cigarette butts, almost 600 butts with one pair of jeans. The tags also that you see are made of eco-friendly paper. The buttons, the trims that you see is everything made out of non-toxic and without using harmful chemicals. And moreover, as you know, the jeans usually have a plastic or a leather patch at the back, right? This is made out of wooden cork, which is as natural as it can be. So, all yours, make food on project. And then we can have that display.
This is me being part of history. So glad.
Just one. One. Just one. And you put the claim also. This is our official claim now. Yeah, exactly. Which Lee Cooper owns. Yeah. On display for everyone now. Take a look at it.
World's first mirror of cigarette butts.
Just like that. That thing.
Now,
Thank you so much, Karan. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was lovely having you guys. Please give it up for Karan Pulra. I hope you all are taking your photos and videos. Please don't forget to tag Lee Cooper India.
Hero of the hour, and then we'll open for informal sessions. And then you guys can also take selfies with current topics. सबको मिलेगा selfie? Okay, so one last round of photo.
क्या करना है भाई?
Yeah, let's finish that first. Better for television.
हाँ एक सेकंड. Yes.
कैसा लगा है आपके साथ ये वंडरफुल कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आए और
Yeah.
पार्ट ऑफ इट
Yes.
कैसा लगा इनका
First of all, I think I'll start from how I felt. I felt very proud to be a part of this initiative because हमने बीच क्लीन किए हैं, हमने टफ प्लास्टिक से बेंचेस बनाए हैं, उनको प्रोमेनाड्स पे रखा है. That's one process happening. और अब जब मुझे पता चला कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है कि world's first denims made out of plastic buds, even if it is a small thing, it is something that is innovative. And innovation, जब आप उसको फैशन के साथ ले आते हो तो उसका ना स्केल बहुत बढ़ जाता है बिकॉज फैशन इज समथिंग दैट इज़ यूनिवर्सल, सबको चाहिए और बार बार चाहिए, एंड फैशन इज़ अ बिग इंडस्ट्री. और अगर 600 बर्ड्स कर हमने अगर एक बड़ा इम्पैक्ट किया तो वो सिगरेट बर्ड्स जो होते हैं ना वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं होते हैं, बहुत साल लगते हैं अगर आप उनको कहीं फेंक दो या कहीं मिट्टी में डाल दो. सो एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली ये इंडियंस ने किया है. This is Lee Cooper India that has done it. So this is something that I'm very, happy that they chose me for this association. And as a brand, Lee Cooper is, one of the oldest brands in the world. And, so I think we've come together to, for something very good.
फैशन के साथ साथ ये कहो कि हेल्थ पे भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए, जैसे स्मोक का टॉपिक आया है.
Sorry?
स्मोक से रिलेटेड स्मोक की
हाँ, yes,
और
yes,
cigarette
yes.
का topic. तो आप उन्हें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जो स्मोक
I would, yeah, definitely. देखो एक उम्र होती है सबको, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि पीयर प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं स्कूल में, कॉलेजेस में, दोस्तों के साथ. अच्छा पार्टी करते हुए अरे ये कूल लगते हैं, ठीक है, आप गलत नहीं कर रहे हो. प्लीज़ लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, अपने ऊपर इतना प्रेशर मत डालो, वैसे भी पढ़ाई और ये सब का बहुत प्रेशर है. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर, इट्स नॉट गुड. किसी भी एंगल से स्मोक करना अच्छा नहीं है, ये सबको पता है. लेकिन मैं दोबारा बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप कर रहे हैं, आप प्लीज़ छोड़ दो, फ्यूचर ख़राब हो जाएगा.
हाउ डू यू हैंडल स्ट्रेस? अगर आपको कभी होता है कि सबके लाइफ में अपसेट डाउन
Yeah,
रहता है,
yeah.
कभी डेज बैड डेज,
Yes.
हाउ डू यू हैंडल पर्सनली?
To be honest, first of all, God has been very kind. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जब मैं स्ट्रेस आता है किसी भी चीज़ का तो मैं 15 साल पीछे चले जाता हूँ, जब मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं एक दिन एक्टर बन जाऊँगा या मैं एक दिन ऐसे खड़ा होऊंगा, इतनी लाइटें होंगी, इतनी माइक्स होंगी. तो मैं कहता हूँ मैं तब भी खुश था ना जब नहीं पता था. अब आगे मुझे नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है, तो मैं आज इन्जॉय करता हूँ. सो अगर यहाँ पर भी पहुँचाया है भगवान ने तो वो भी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. और अगर यहाँ पर मेरी जर्नी एंड भी होती तो उसके लिए भी मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ. बट
ये साल आपके फैंस इंतजार कर रहे हैं कुछ आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स या कुछ
यस और ऑलरेडी देखो एक फिल्म और एक अमेजॉन मिनी का शो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, एक मैं ख़त्म करके आया हूँ अभी शूट. इट्स बिन अ वेरी आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि 2024 इट्स बिन अ फैंटास्टिक ईयर. बहुत अलग अलग स्पेक्ट्रम के काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. एंड या आई मीन इट्स एक्साइटिंग, सम ऑफ द थिंग्स आर वेरी एक्साइटिंग. और जिसे कहते हैं ना कि अच्छे चीज़ों को वक्त लगता है, बट आई वोंट डिसअपॉइंट, दैट्स फॉर श्योर.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू.